Hello guys, in this video we will be created a depth direction and depth angle in the ArcGIS Pro. So firstly, what is depth angle and depth direction? So a previous video we finalized this kind of map of the earthquake data. By using the earthquake data we can create what kind of dense you can create it IWD. So if you watch it, it will be very helpful to you. So now in this video we want to know that how to display the structural geology measurement in the ArcGIS Pro. For this you can firstly create a class of which you can create a structure. For example, if you create a polygon, or if you create a point, or if you create a depth angle, depth direction of fault line. So you firstly create a feature class type in which you create a point, line or polygon. Then you give the table of the content to give the direction according to the direction of the various depth angle in depth direction. They will be rotated and give the coordinate system. Then you can go to your what is the strike and what is the depth direction, so you can easily see the definition. So basically we will be give the data of the strike, we will be give the data of depth angle, and we will be give the data of depth direction. So on the map it will be created like this kind of feature easily. So we will be openly firstly created the base map, and then we put the data to the various of their points, and by giving the data we will be load the geological 24K symbology in order to represent the depth angle and depth direction symbol. Then we will be also created how to rotate it, and in the last we can be easily label it. So in this video we will be do step by step, so you can easily watch it. So firstly if I open the, so firstly this is the our what is the depth angle, depth direction. So you can firstly create a data easily, and by knowing everything. So this is the plunge, this is the rake, this is the pitch, this is the depth angle, this is strike. So by knowing everything, so you can open your ArcGIS Pro. So this is our study area. We selected Pakistan area, and last time we also create a layout. We create a 3D model of this map, so you can watch all the videos. So then for example, this is our area. If I open my this is the dim file, so this is my area. And if I open the rocks, so it represent different kinds of rock. For example, this is our the Jurassic rocks. You can see it, this is Jurassic rock, and this is the Permian, this is the, so which I noted these rocks are dipping this direction, and these rocks are dipping this direction. So for the trial basis I only take 1, 2 or 3 points. So by doing the large scale projects you can do various multiple point, but I create this 3 points. So for this we go to the view, and view in the control panel we have the database, we have right click it. So you can also create a shape file, and it's easy to create a file database by feature class. And the feature class you give the name like structure and measurement. Okay, and this is your now which kind of you work geology like line work. Line work means like fault, fold, this kind of situation, a fault like normal or stress fault. Or you can create a polygon like this kind of formation, or Triassic rocks, or Cretaceous strata. So now I just only focus the depth angle or depth direction, so I create a point and this, and go to the next. So I created the 3 types of field. For example, if I created the the strike and the depth angle and the depth direction. So if you created multiple directions, your choice, but you must know that it will be double because we give the in the point format. So you directly double click, or you can also click on this and go to select it. So this is my three files, and go to next. So basically, uh, this is Pakistan. So WGS is the system, and if I go to this direction, this will be the projector. This will be the UTM zone. And in WGS 1984 we have northern hemisphere, and we have the 42 degree. Pakistan is situated 42 degree, and finish it. So it will be created a structure measurement this point, and if I cross it, and if I click this, so you can easily see it. It will be created a different, but I also created a structure, so it's, you can see structure. So if I right click and add to current, so it will be also visible, but now they are automatically visible, so no needed. So you can create like this kind of structure measurement. So now in the next part we will be do how to create points, and how to label, and how to shape the geological 24K to this area. So in the next part we will be do it.